How to use Bluebox. Select language. Select parcel delivery. Input client info. Select size. Recipient receives an SMS message regarding the pickup code and location of parcels. Fast way for collect your package by using Bluebox app. 3-second get your package by simple click on Unlock Locker from Bluebox app. Please confirm the compartment door is closed after collecting your package. Select language. Press collect. Input pickup code. Compartment door will open.